Hi, Cole here with Martin Motorsports. Here we have Can-Am's two new electric motorcycles. We have the Pulse and the Origin. Both of them are very similar mechanically. The Pulse model being a little bit more oriented for street riding, daily commuting, your kind of everyday travel. The Origin bike here being a little bit more oriented for the kind of adventure bike riding. These two motorcycles are both fully electric. So the Pulse model, you have 47 horsepower, or the Origin, you also have 47 horsepower. A little bit of a difference in weight though. So 390 pounds versus 412 pounds. A little bit of a heavier bike, so that's gonna up your 0 to 100, 4.3 seconds, where your 0 to 100 on the Pulse is gonna be closer to about 3.8 seconds. So it's gonna be a bit of a faster bike. As you can see here, heavier tread. So that's really gonna get you through the trail. That allowed you to hit that dirt, where more of a street tire, which is going to give you a little bit more traction when you're on that hot pavement. The battery sizes on both of them are exactly the same. They're both 8.9 kilowatts. Both of these bikes are equipped with the same charging system, so you can use the level 2 or level 1 charging. Both bikes have them located here. So this is your level 2 charger here. You can also connect your level 1 to it as well. So your level 1 is going to be your traditional house outlet. It's about a 110, so that'll take all night to charge. It's going to take 7 or 8 hours. Whereas if your house is equipped with the level 2 charging, or if you go to a level 2 charging station, from about 20% to 80%, it'll take about 50 minutes to charge either of the bikes. With both of these motorcycles being fully electric with an enclosed chain case, you're looking at a very reliable powertrain system. The battery has 5 years of warranty on it. So these chain cases here, they are enclosed just like a snowmobile. So they have oil inside of it, which is really nice because you don't have oil being flung around your rear tire. Keeps your bike nice and clean. Traditional chains are a little bit of a pain that way. So this is nice and tidy. And also mechanically, you don't have to be making adjustments as you do on your traditional chain. Some of my favorite features are Apple CarPlay. So both of them have a nice big touch screen here. What you connect your phone to, you get the Apple CarPlay. Another favorite feature is the engine braking, so you can roll the grip forward and actually manually activate the engine braking, and it'll bring you down to about 3 kilometers an hour, and you just need to tap the brake to kind of get you to a complete stop. Both the bikes are also equipped with liquid cooling systems for the battery and the charger. So that allows the charger to charge a little bit faster. So that's where you get that 50-minute charge time from. The batteries are also liquid cooled. So if you're in a really hot environment, you know, in Edmonton here, sometimes you get those 35, 40 degree days that happen a couple times. It stops the bike from throttling down so you can keep your power at all times. Let's talk drive modes for a second. Here we have the different drive modes of the Pulse model. Starting off, we have Eco, Rain, Normal, and Sport Plus. Eco mode is going to be the easiest on your battery. Rain mode is going to keep on all the nanny features to keep you safe on the road. Normal mode will just be the same as Rain mode, but with a little bit more throttle control. And Sport Plus is going to turn off the stability control, keeps on traction control, but it also increases throttle response. Here we have the Origin, a few different modes on this guy as well. First we have Rain mode, then we get into Normal, Sport mode, Off-road mode, and Off-road Plus as well. Last thing I wanted to talk to you about today is the link system. Both of these bikes can be equipped with the Can-Am link system, so you can attach your favorite accessories to either of them. But that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. Cole with Martin Motorsports. Come for a demo ride.
Just keep watching.